Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will clear the next type of arithmetic mean, which is combined mean. When we know the number of items and arithmetic mean of two or more than two series, then we can use combined mean. So let us start. Here statement is given. The mean marks of statistics of 100 students of a class was 72. The mean of boys was 75, and while their number was 70, then find out the mean of marks of girls in the class. And so I am first of all writing down the formula. X bar 1 or 2 for boys and girls is equal to N1 X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. Here N1 is equal to number of boys, N2 represents number of girls, X bar 1 represents mean marks of boys, X bar 2 represents mean marks of girls. So let us see how many items are given, how many values are given. Number 1, the mean marks in statistics of it means total number of students are 100. 100 students, the mean marks of 100 students of a class. The mean of boys was 75 while their number was 70. It means N1 is equal to 70. These represents boys. And N2, find out the mean marks of the girls in the class. And the number of girls are not given, so we can calculate N2 is equal to, because N1 plus N2 is equal to 100 and the value of N1 is given. So the value of N2 is equal to 100 minus 70 is equal to 30, and the value of X bar 1 is equal to, the mean of boys was 75 and the value of X bar 1 2, that is also given. This is 75, that is 72. So we have to calculate the mean of marks of girls in the class with the help of this given information. So I am writing down the formula. X bar 1 2 is equal to N1 plus N1 plus N1 multiplied by X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 whole divided by N1 plus N2 is equal to, so the value of combined mean, that is given 72. 72 is equal to N1, which is 70 multiplied by the value of X1, that is also given, multiplied by 75 plus the value of N2, which is 30, and the mean marks of girls are not given, and the value of N1 plus N2, which is 70 plus 30, and we have to calculate the value of X bar 2, which is equivalent to 72 70 multiplied by 75, 5250 plus 30 X bar 2 divided by 100, which is equivalent to cross multiplication, 72 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 तो ये 7200 इज इक्वल टू 5250 प्लस 30x/2 और इज इक्वल टू 7200 माइनस 5250 इज इक्वल टू 30x/2 और 1950 इज इक्वल टू 30x/2 और 1950 divided by 30 is equal to x/2 or this will be equivalent to 65 is equal to x/2. So we have to find out the value of x/2. x/2 represents mean marks of girls. So the mean marks of girls are 765. So this is the answer. So in this way we can calculate combined arithmetic mean. So do subscribe the channel to see more typical numericals related to combined mean. Thank you.